This 2020 Thor Motor Coach Hurricane MTRH is a Class A RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach and features sleeps 9, slide out, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A RV features bunk over cab, bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2020 Thor Motor Coach Hurricane MTRH is built on a Ford F-53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.